Hi guys, it's Brianna and I'm here with another fun science activity for you today. Today we are going to be learning about why it's important to wash your hands. We're also going to be learning a little bit about water, so why don't we get our materials together and get started. So you're going to need some pepper. Maybe you have it in a shaker, maybe you have it in a grinder like this. You're going to need some warm water, a plate, or a bowl, doesn't really matter, and some soap. So why don't you guys get your activity materials together and we'll get right started. So let's go ahead and do our pepper experiment. So I have my pepper right here. I have my dish soap. Now I've got the blue water from our rainbow experiment and some yellow water because I thought maybe the colored water would be fun to do. But I've also got some clear water here just in case we can't see it clearly. So first let's try the blue water. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of water on my plate, not too much. Alright, and then I'm going to take a little bit of my pepper and put it right on there so we can see all the pepper sitting on top of the water. Let me just make sure you guys can actually see that in the video. Okay, you can see it just fine. So let's have a close look here. I'm just going to take a little bit of this soap and I'm going to touch a little bit of it, just a little, not too much, on my finger. Maybe a little too much. Okay, so there, I've got it on my finger. And are you ready? Are you watching the water? 1, 2, 3. Pew. And that is what soap does when we wash our hands. It makes the oil, it makes the germs, it makes everything go off of our hands. So let's see if we can touch it again, see if it does anything. Ooh. And if you keep touching that pepper, it's going to try and get away from that soap as much as it can. Alright, so I'm going to rinse off my finger in the water here. I'm going to dump it out and let's try another color. Okay guys, I hope that was a really fun activity, learning about why soap is so important. Soap can be used to wash your hands, to make the germs get off your hands. It can also be used to wash your clothes, to wash your home. Soap is a very important part of life, and soap helps to wash things. So remember, when you get back home, you wash your hands and you get those germs right off, just like we saw the pepper do on the plate. Alright, see you next time.